Hello students, today we are going to discuss haloalkanes and haloarenes, okay, which is organic chemistry. Now the question number 46. So haloalkanes in the presence of alcoholic KOH aggregates. For example, CH3, CH2, Cl. Okay, so in the presence of alcoholic KOH, so if it is aqueous KOH, if it undergoes substitution reaction, it undergoes addition reaction. If it is alcoholic KOH, it undergoes elimination reaction. Okay, the product is CH2 double bond CH2 ethylene. Okay, so it is elimination reaction. So the answer is 2. The question number 47. So methyl alcohol which reacts with bromine. Okay, bromine reacts with ethylene to give, so to yield addition of 1,2-dibromo ethane because of. So here CH2 double bond CH2 reacts with Br2, it forms CH2 Br single bond CH2 Br. Okay, now it reacts with the methanol CH3OH and CH2Br and CH2 single bond CH2Br. So this HBr will went out. Okay, the product is CH3O, CH3O, CH2Br. Okay, so this is the product which was obtained. Okay, so here so in this reaction, what is the conclusion here? The ion formed initially may react with Br minus or CH3OH. Okay, this is the correct answer. So the answer is 4. Now the question number 48. So this reaction, for example, ethanol converts to ethyl chloride. So C2H5OH reacts with thionyl chloride SOCl2 in the presence of pyridine as base. Okay, so that one converts to C2H5Cl. So this reaction is called as Darzens reaction, naming reaction, so which is very important one. So which is called as Darzens. Now the question number 49. An alkyl bromide produces single alkane when it reacts with ethyl sodium ethoxide and ethanol. It undergoes hydrogenation. So now see this one, the reaction which is so first one. Now try this option, 1 bromo 2 methyl butane. So so this is success called as 1 bromo 2 methyl butane. So CH2. Now when it reacts with sodium ethoxide, you will get the product which is, so for example, this H plus will get shifts here. For example, this C2H5OH. Okay, so here this bond gets shifts here. This Br minus gets eliminated. Understand this point? So this hydrogen gets shifts here. This bond gets shifts here. Here is Br minus ion. This Na plus and Br minus will form, and it forms NaBr. This H plus combined with this C2H5O minus converts into C2H5OH. Now, what are the remaining products which are? So here it is CH3, CH2, C single bond, CH3 double bond, CH2. When it reacts with the addition of hydrogen, okay, it forms CH3, CH2, CH, CH3 single bond, CH3, which is called as 2-methyl butane, right? So the answer is option 1 is the correct answer. Now the question number 40. Now we'll discuss the question number 50. So Wood's reaction, methyl iodide yields an organic compound X. So the following compound of X. So what is Wood's reaction? 2 moles of alkyl iodide reacts with sodium metal. Okay. For example, CH3I reacts with sodium plus CH3I. So it forms 2 moles of NaI. It gives C2H6. Correct? So in the presence of sodium. So here, so this one gives C2H6. Now let us try this equation. Question number option 1. C2H5Cl reacts with lithium aluminum iodide, which is a reducing agent. So it gives iodescence. Okay, it eliminates minus HCl. The product is C2H6. So option 1 is the correct answer. Okay, now we'll discuss the question number 51, which is which of the following does not give benzene? Option 1. So see this option, which is benzene disodium chloride reacts with ethanol. Okay, so if benzene disodium chloride when it reacts with the ethanol, so definitely that one will give benzene. We already seen. Now the option 2 is C6H5 benzene disodium chloride. When you react with H2O, okay, it forms a C6H5OH plus HCl. So the product is phenol. It's not benzene. Okay, so the answer is option 2 is the correct answer. Now the question number 52. So which of the metal is used in the wood synthesis? Wood synthesis we are using sodium, right? Now the question number 53. So here how many structural isomers are possible? The molecular formula C3H7Cl. So carbon, 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 Cl. So C3H7, carbon, carbon, carbon. So there are only 2 possible isomers. Okay. So the answer is 2. The question number 54. So which is a Grignard reagent may be reacting with magnesium, which is reacts with fast. Okay. So the better nucleophile is I minus. Okay. So the nucleophilic order is I minus, Br minus, Cl minus, F minus. Okay. So here it is. The answer is so ethyl iodide. It will react with it will not react with ethanol. So it may be reacted with magnesium. Okay. What is RMGX? RMGX is Grignard, right? RMGX. So C2H5Mg reacts with Cl. Then only you will get C2H5MgCl. So the answer is answer is halide. Here it is ethyl halide. Okay. So ethyl iodide is the answer. Now the question number 55. So which of the following is anesthetic? So chloroform. So which is not used nowadays because of it evolves phosgene gas. Okay. But it is considered as this chloroform is considered as anesthetic. Now the question number 56. Which of the following does not form Grignard? Okay. So this fluorine, which has more electronegative, so it will not form any Grignard reagent. Now the question number 57, which is statement based question. So statement 1, alkyl halides produce alkenes when heated 300 degrees Celsius. CH2I reacts slowly when compared to CD3. So deuterium will react faster compared to your hydrogen. Okay. So here the statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is false. Now, so the answer is 3. So here which is the question number 58, which is used in Freon as refrigerant. Okay. So the answer is 58 CCl2F2. Okay. So this is a Freon. For example, what is the name? Freon CBA. Number of carbon atoms 1. Okay. B means number of hydrogen atom plus 1. So number of fluorine atoms. Okay. Freon 112 which is used in refrigerators. Now the question number 59. So benzene hexachloride, so which is called as gamma-hexane, Cl. So the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexachlorobenzene. Okay. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 hexachlorocyclohexane. It's called as benzene hexachloride. Okay. So now when the question number 60, when ethyl bromide reacts with sodium acetylide, the main product is ethyl bromide, CH3 CH2 Br reacts with sodium acetylene, Na C triple bond C H. So NaBr. So the product is CH3 CH2 C triple bond CH, which is 1-butene. Okay, the product is 1-butene. Now the question number 61. So chloroform on warming Ag in the presence of silver powder. Okay, so now see this one acetylene. It gives acetylene. So this one CHCl3 reacts with silver plus CHCl3. It forms AgCl as precipitate, and it gives C2H2. And then how many moles of chlorine here? 6 moles of chlorine. Okay, so this is the product. So it gives acetylene C2H2. So the answer is 1. The question number 62. Benzene hexachloride is prepared benzene on chlorine by sunlight. It is addition reaction. So there is no other options. The addition is the correct answer. Now the organic compound C4H9Cl. It is not C4H6Cl. So please change the option. So C4H9Cl. Okay. Sodium in the presence of ether give a hydrocarbon, which is monochlorination. Give 1 chloro derivative. Okay. So here the answer is tertiary butyl chloride. See this formula CCC. So which undergoes monochlorination. Further, when you add this chlorine, that one converts into CH3 C single bond CH3 single bond CH2Cl single bond Cl. Okay. So this is the answer. Now the question number 64. I'm sorry. Now the question number 60. Yes. Now the question number 64. So the question: ethyl benzoate reacts with PCl5. So we already discussed in P block elements. When it reacts with PCl5, the product is the product evolves POCl3 and HCl, right? So here C6 ethyl benzoate, right? So C6H5 COO C2H5 reacts with PCl5. So the product which is obtained C6H5 COCl plus C2H5Cl plus POCl3. So this is the product. So this is the question number 64. Now the question number 65. When chloroform reacts with NaOH, so this CHClClCl. Okay, this is the formula for chloroform. When it reacts with NaOH, 3 moles of NaOH, it gives HCOH OH plus NaCl. Okay. Now it is so it has a trihydroxymethane. So 3 OH minus ions there. So trihydroxymethane is the correct answer, but it is unstable. Now the question number 66. So which are the following reactions? CH2 double bond C double bond C double bond CH2. So first see this reaction. When you heat this compound, okay, the first option 1, CH2 double bond CH. When you react with same component, so you will get alternative single bond and double bond. Okay, it is not the answer. Now see this second option, CH2Br. This I'll write this CH2Br single bond C triple bond C single bond CH2Br, and in the presence of zinc, heat. Okay, so that one gives elimination reaction. Okay, so the product is CH2 double bond C double bond C double bond CH2. Okay, so this this Br will went out. This bond gets shifts here. This bond gets shifts here. This Br will went out. Okay, is it clear? So in the presence of zinc, the product is ZnBr2. So it will eliminate. Okay. Now the question number 67. So depletion of ozone layer is caused by freon. Okay, freons which gases which affects this ozone layer. Now the starting substance which has the preparation of CH3I. So when you reacts with the CH3 methanol reacts with HI, it forms CH3I plus H2O. So this is the question number for 68. Now the question number 69. So which of the following, so here it is, which of the following statements of benzyl chloride is incorrect. So here it is. So first one, white precipitate of alcoholic silver nitrate. Now lacrometry liquid and answers Bailey-Stin's test. Now here they asked benzyl chloride, it is less reactive than alkyl halides. So here the answer is incorrect because of this benzyl chlorides. This CH2Br. Okay, so it converts into, so which this hydrogen gets shifts here. So it involves resonance. Okay, so compare with your alkyl halides, this benzyl halides which are more reactive. Okay, so this is incorrect statement. The question number 70. So propene on treatment with HBr. So propene CH3 CH double bond CH2, it reacts with HBr according to Markovnikov rule. The negative atom is leads to carbon containing least number of hydrogens, right? So here the CH3 CHBr CH3. So answer is 2-bromopropane is the common IUPAC name. The common name is iso what is the answer? It is 70. So isopropyl bromide is the correct answer. Okay, so we discussed the question number 45 to 70 in part 1 video. Now we will discuss the later question number 71 to 90. Okay.